Today we are going to fix the Windows 11 can't connect to this network error. Welcome to F1 Expat, my name is Norm. Okay, let's get started. There are 5 methods for this fix. The first method. Select the search icon. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click CMD icon. Select Run as administrator. Type netsh space winsock space reset. Type netsh space int space ip space reset space reset.log. Type IP protocol configuration space /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. Second method. Select Start. Select Settings. Select Network and Internet. Select Advanced Network Settings. Select More Network Adapter Options. Right-click Wi-Fi Adapter. Select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Select Properties. Check Obtain an IP address automatically. Check Obtain DNS server address automatically. Disable and then enable Wi-Fi adapter. Third method. Select Start. Select Settings. Select Network and Internet. Select Advanced Network Settings. Select Network Reset. Fourth method. Select Search. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Select Device Manager. Select and expand network adapters. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter. Select Update driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. If same error still exists, right-click Wi-Fi adapter. Select Uninstall device. Restart system. Fifth method. Select Start. Select Settings. Select Troubleshoot. Select Other troubleshooters. Select Run under Network Adapter. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel.